Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 that is chapter number 5 that is numbers from 10 to 20. 10 to 20. Okay class? Now class, these are our learning objectives. Now class, let's start the chapter. Class C. Rahul and Meera. Rahul and Meera went a zoo. Rahul and Meera कहाँ पर गए? Zoo में. They counted the number of animals of each type. Class वहां पर बहुत सारे animals हैं. उन्होंने वहां पर उन सभी animals को क्या किया? Count किया है. Okay. Write down how many animals of each type are there. Class C. Now, elephant. Class count the elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many elephants are there? There are 10 elephants. Now class monkeys. Count the monkeys class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 monkeys. How many monkeys are there? There are 12 monkeys. Now class birds, count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 birds are there. Now class parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 parrots are there. Now class rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 rabbits. Now class fish. Fishes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 fishes class. Now class, come on the number 10. The number 10. Class, how we get number 10? Now see, we have learned number from 1 to 10. Class, we have learned number, we know the numbers 1 to 9. We have learned numbers from 1 to 9. Let us learn the numbers greater than 9. Class, अब हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? Number greater than 9. So 1 more than 9 is written as 10. 1 more than 9 is written as 10. This number has 0 in the ones place. Class, यहाँ पर इसके 0 है at the ones place. Now class, and 1 in the tens place. Understand? 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. So class, see, there are 9 cupcakes and plus 1 make 10 cupcakes. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10. Now, numbers from 11 to 20. Numbers from 11 to 20. Now, we will learn numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, class? More than 1, 10 is 11. 1 more than 10 is 11. 11 has 1 tens and 1 ones and is written as 1 ones, 1 tens, number name 11. Similarly, 2 more than 10 is 12. 12 has 1 tens and 2 ones and is written as 12, like this number name TWELVE 12. Yes, 3 more than 10 is 13. Okay, now number name is 13. It is written as like this. Understand? 4 more than 10 is 14. 4 has 1 tens and 4 ones and is written as like this. FOUR 4 TEEN 14. Now 5 more than 10 is 15. 15 has 1 tens and 5 ones and is written as 15, like this. Number name of 15 FIFTEEN 15. 6 more than 10 16. 16 has 1 tens and 6 ones and is written as 1 6 16. Class SIXTEEN 16. Similarly, 7 more than 10 17. It is written as 17. 8 more than 10, 18, like this, and E-I-G-H-T, 8, T-E-E-N, 18. Now 9 more than 10, 19. 19 has 1 tens and 9 ones and is written as 1, 9, 19. 19, number name, N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-E-N, 19. Now class, 10 more than 10, 20. 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones and is written as like this, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Class, you have to learn the spellings. Yes class, come on exercise 5.1. Now write the number in the blank boxes. Count them class, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So class, 1 tens, 4 ones will become 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. Understand class? Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 tens, 6 ones, it is 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Understand? Class, you can count them. Okay. Rest of the part, do yourself. Now class, numbers from 1 to 20 on the abacus. Numbers from 1 to 20 on the abacus. An abacus is used to perform arithmetic calculations. Each rod on the abacus shows the place value. Class, ये जो रोड है abacus की क्या शो करती है, उनकी place value शो करती हैं of the digit. Numbers can be represented on the abacus. On the ones rod, each bead represent 1, and on the tens rod, each bead represent 10. See, ones 1, ones 2, ones 3, ones 4, ones 5. Okay. Now, how many beads? 6 beads. 6, 7, 8, 9, and tens. It is 10. Now, 11, 1 tens, 1 ones, 1 tens, 2 ones, 1 tens, 3 ones, 1 tens, 4 ones, 1 tens, 5 ones. It is 15. 1 tens, 6 1 tens, 6 ones, it is 16. 1 tens, 7 ones, 17. 1 tens, 8 ones, it is 18. Here is 19 and 20. Understand class? Now class, come on exercise 5.2. Now class, question number 1. Draw beads on the road of abacus for the given number. 1 has been done for you. Class, we have to draw the beads on the abacus. Okay, on the road of abacus. Now class, here is ones, 1, 2, 2, 1. So it is 12. Here is 7. So we will make 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1. Understand? Now class, 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 0. Rest of the part, do yourself class. Now class, come on question number 2. Write the numeral represented on the abacus. Class, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 1. So it will become 1, 9, 19. Now here is 1 and here is 0. Rest of the parts, do yourself class. Now class, come on before, between and after. Before means pehle, between means बीच में, and after means बाद में. Now class, look at the numbers 10, 11, 12 on the number line. Class, see. Here is 10, 11, 12. Class, 10 is before 11, 12 is after 11, and 11 is between in the 10 or 12. Okay. Now 10 comes just before 11 and 12 comes just after 11. Understand? On the number line, before means to count left and after means to count right. Okay. Now class, come on exercise 5.3. Come on question number 1. Class C. What comes just after? Means 11. What comes after 11? It is 12. After 13, it is 14. After 15, it is 16. After 17, 18. After 18, 19. After 14, 15. Understand class? Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now class, question number 2. What comes just before? Just before 11. What comes before 11? It is 10. What comes before 13? It is 12. What comes before 15? It is 14. What comes before 16? It is 15. What comes before 18? It is 17. What comes before 20? It is 19. Of the parts do yourself class. Now class, come on question number 3rd. What comes in between? What comes between 11 and 13? It is 11, 12, 13. Now what comes between 14 and 16? It is 15. Now 12 and 14, it is 13. Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now class, come on ascending and descending order. Class, ascending means climb up the number ladder. Climb up the number ladder. Class C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now descending means climb down the number ladder. Means 7 से 6, 6 से 5, 4 से 5 से 4, 3, 2, 1. Understand? In ascending class, हम सबसे छोटे नंबर से लेके चलते हैं, फिर हम बड़े पर जाते हैं, और हम डिसेंडिंग में बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर पर. Understand? Now ascending means smaller to bigger and descending means bigger to smaller. Understand? A 2-digit number is greater than 1-digit number. Come on ordinal numbers. When we use numbers to compare things or to show their position in a line, we call these numbers ordinal numbers. Okay class, when we use numbers to compare, हमें compare करना होगा जब किसी चीज का, और उनको पोजीशन बताने के लिए हम कौन से नंबर का यूज करते हैं? इट इज ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके क्लास. नाउ क्लास एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ, एट्थ, नाइन्थ, टेंथ. हियर इज ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके. Now class, come on exercise 5.4. Question number 1, write in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest. Now class, which number is smallest in this line? It is 11. Now this 13. Now 14. Now 17. 20. Okay. Now again, which number is smallest? It is 12. Now 13. Tell me 16. 18 and 19. Understand class? Rest of the part do yourself class. Now class, question number 2, color the third mango green and seventh mango yellow. Class, third mango first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Class, थर्ड मैंगो को हमें ग्रीन कलर करना है, सेवेंथ मैंगो को येलो कलर. So class, do it. Here is green color, third is here and seventh on in yellow in seventh one. Okay. Okay class, you have to color the mango. Okay. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.